it well so that it kicks in within the required time.
Tend County ma Nairobi koteli Governor Johnson Sakaja opuodho kar chwalo chenro mag county kokale tudruok gi jopiny. Sakaja kinde yawa yanga pisino City Hall Annex yango ni mae no kang madhi neno ni jodak ma Nairobi yudo chenro mag county maonge ng'ikruok kipimo gi kinde ma osekalo. Omedo kwayo jotelo gi jopiny mar tiyo tich achiel chopo kare dwaro madongruoge ka achiel gi chopo kare chenro mochung' mano chake gi Tend County ma osekalo.
We launched this customer service contact center, proof of our commitment to serve Nairobians quickly, efficiently, and in dignity. They can be served from wherever they are. They only need to come here when a matter has been escalated or if they are from around here. These projects don't belong to individuals. There is no Kidero project. There is no Sonko project. There is even no Sakaja project. These projects are Nairobians projects. So all projects where money has been committed and have started, let's finish. I asked yesterday for a compendium of all what was told. We must conclude those projects so that we don't waste taxpayers' money.